let's look at a specific example of different implementations. Let's take this operation over here in Python. So now we're going to look specifically at Python. 34 times 99. So this is a very specific and simple task. We're just multiplying two numbers together. But you can see that even this task in Python can have multiple different implementations. So there's different ways of completing this task. So Python can choose a number of different ways to do multiplication, and it does in fact have to have some way on how to do multiplication. And here are just four I've shown here below. So we can add 34 to itself 99 times. That's one definition of multiplication. A second way is to add 99 to itself 34 times. A third way is to add the result of 4 times 99 and 30 times 99. That's your normal multiplication where you have two numbers on top of one another that you learned back in grade school. A fourth way, this is a little bit tricky, you can multiply 34 times 100 because it's almost 100 34s, and then subtract 34, so you'll take away one, that'll give you 99 34s. And there are even more ways than this. So here's the line of code. So this one line of code can have different implementations in Python. And as we'll see in the next video, there are many different implementations for Python. There's one set of Python code that you can write, but that code can be implemented very differently. Just like this, 34 times 99, I've shown 4 different implementations. So there's one line of code, 4 different implementations. And in the previous video, we saw that there was one task, which was to go to the store and buy milk, eggs, and meat, but there were 3 people giving 3 different implementations on how to complete that task.